Now that I've got content designed for my desktop, there's one more thing that I want to add to my design. If I go into my mockup mode, so here's all of my content, looks great, thing scrolls well. I want to have this navigation bar stay at the top. Notice how when I scroll, it disappears and goes off the screen. I still want to have this nice and up here at the top. In order to do this, here's what it would look like on this page. So notice how I scroll, navigation stays up there and it just sticks to the top once I'm up here. So we need to do this in Figma as well. It's super easy to do. Going back to the design side, first we need to select all of the content that's going to be inside of this navigation area, and we need to group it together. So go up to Object, and we're going to group the selection. Once it's grouped, go over to your prototype mode and set the scroll behavior. Instead of having it scroll with the parent, with it selected, make sure it's selected, say fixed in place or sticky to the top. We're going to have it stay fixed in place. Fixed in place, now when I go to my mockup, when I scroll down, you can see how it stays nicely in place, and that's what we want to have it be able to do. By the way, if you have something sticky to the top, let's do the sticky to the top to our marketing message. I'm not saying you have to do this, but I'm going to group everything here. For this one, if it was sticky, stay at this top, it's going to scroll with it, but it's also going to give it a little bit of padding with it as well too. So here's what I mean. Going back to here, now when I scroll down, it scrolls, but once this touches the top, you can see how it stays in place as well. That comes in handy for things that maybe you want to have overlaid and be able to, like a pop-up. That's not what we want to do with this. I just wanted to show you that. In our case, we're going to take it and make sure it scrolls with the parent page. So that adds some scrollability to your navigation bar. And really, this is the only thing that needs to stay in place. Everything else will scroll with it.